Howdy, pirates.
It just got to 360.
What's the ceiling now? What is everybody going to contribute? That's something that needs to be discussed immediately.
You said 400.
Okay, well, I'm out of this now. I'm not the deciding party because I would be against the decision. So I'm outvoted, which is okay. If your guys' hunch is right, then I have to eat crow. I'm perfectly okay being wrong if it makes us money.
Okay, so Mom, come in here so we can talk, please. Come in here so we can talk. So we need to decide what our ceiling is. What are we willing to go to? It's at 370 now. So we would have to bid 380.
I've got 200.
Don't look at me. Like I said, I'm bound.
You want to go to 5?
I've been outvoted, so that's okay.
Maybe 5 being the absolute max, but 450 being the where we kind of keep it in mind that.
Well, hopefully we'll never get to there, but we need to declare a ceiling and we need to stick to it. And if it goes above that ceiling, we cannot keep bidding.
Well, that's why I was thinking 450 being the one where we kind of start going. But
We'll have
5.
that upfront cost, though. Do we have that upfront cost?
Yes.
Okay.
Put a bid in. Let them know that we're not backing down. How much were you guys going to put in?
Well, ours was going to be 300.
Okay.
So it was going to be 400 because 3 from us and 1 from you.
Okay.
And now we have 20 from Monica.
I'll voice my opinion.
Okay.
I think that we should put in another bid just to let the other people know that we're not backing down.
Well, it hasn't been against us. They're bidding against each other.
Yeah.
We haven't bid at all.
Oh, we haven't bid at all?
We haven't bid at all.
We want somebody else to concede first to find out
How
where that threshold
how
is.
heavy has the bidding been? Because if they're just sitting there going
It's
back,
been slow.
okay, then if it's
They're
been,
taking their time to
Mitch.
decide. It's just a budgeting thing. We have to be able to look at the pictures, decide what we think things are worth,
well, because what I was thinking is like, so
and
you
bid
said,
on what we can see, not what could be.
I kind of agree with him.
With what part?
Set
You're
it
not
at
being more off.
450 with an ultimate maximum, and this is like everybody has to agree on this and vote on this at this one, with a maximum cap of 5. So all financial interests need to be
Voting again at 450. That's what you're saying. What were you saying?
I was just saying that the biggest reason we're getting this unit is because there could be the potential for some high bucks in here, correct? It's not that
Right.
we're out of adventures.
It's not that we're out of inventory now.
We're at what, less than 9 minutes now?
Yeah.
Okay, at this point, I would go ahead and put a proxy of 450 on.
So it's
You don't want to
No,
just
no,
go
no.
up by a little bit at a time.
What is it now?
It's 370.
Put a proxy of 4.
Okay.
I kind of want to see what their hand is. Okay.
yeah,
I want to see what people are holding.
to get a sense of who we're going against. We're getting to the last few minutes, so it's kind of getting to that point. where-
We're the high bidder at 380. So nobody had any proxies set up.
All right. God, I hate this.
This is part of the.
This is part of it. Part of the
This
fun.
is like hunting for us, where you don't know if you're actually going to get the kill or not. You can do your best thing. You can have the best strategies. Sometimes you're good at it and get it. Sometimes you're not.
Also depends on
Sometimes you
the
walk
prey
out of the
out
woods
there.
with nothing.
Depending on
Instead
the-
of killing something, we're saving stuff.
Yeah, and instead of producing more junk to sell, we are repurposing and recycling and doing things for the planet.
And we also do a lot of charity, so.
Give a lot of stuff away to the community. So This is a good business as long as we're all invested in it and willing to put in the effort to make it work.
Well, you're gonna be real pissed if we lose it.
Yeah. Prepare yourself for that.
Yeah, this is why you have to remove yourself emotionally from these
Yeah,
things.
and in these last few minutes, it's like this is the exciting part, but it's also the part where it's like you have
You
to
can
just
make
tell
the biggest
yourself,
mistake.
I
A
don't
lot
care,
of
I
friends
don't
get
care,
tired
I
here.
don't care.
Well, no, this is a lot of shooting yourself in the foot if you're emotionally
Yeah.
invested in it.
I have to tell myself I don't care, or else I'll be just tempted to keep going higher and higher than my maximum that I agreed to. So at this point, I just have to say there's 5 minutes left, and if it happens, it happens, and if it's not meant to be, then it won't.
Hang our heads for a second to go, shit, and then we move forward.
Get the next one.
Yes. We adapt.
Mm.
Now you can hear
Well, I
the
think it's
person.
because I'm nervous over this
I know.
auction that my stomach's doing weird things.
I know.
We're still at 380.
Yeah.
I wonder if other people are hesitant because they've also seen this pop up so many times.
And are tired of getting canceled on.
Yeah, having to drive all the way down now, you have to.
Okay, it just popped to 410.
Yep.
And we're at 4:10.
No, we're the high bidder at 410.
Okay.
There's 3 minutes left. Now, if anyone bids in the next, like, 20 seconds, it's going to extend the auction past 10. It'll go into soft
So
close.
this shit will go.
It'll go until people stop bidding.
Yeah. So we could be here for a while.
What am I bidding to?
We're doing $10 at a time.
So 440.
Wait, when the hell did that bot?
Okay. Auction is the only thing.
Yes, we're at 440, and now we have another 5 minutes to wait. We are the high bidder.
Okay, well,
I'll bid at 450, so it's time to have a new vote.
keep going.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so 470. All right, so we're the high bidder at 460. Are we still going to 500? Okay, I'm asking her too. She needs to vote.
Might as well go for broke.
Literally.
So 500. Okay, we're in soft close with 2 minutes and 43 seconds.
$10 I can put in my gas tank and I'll be happy.
Not literally.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Remember, it's passionate.
Yeah.
Separate
Remember,
yourself.
give up on it in your mind and your heart. Just whatever's gonna happen, it's gonna happen.
Go home and have 2 shots of tequila.
Mm-hmm.
Vibes on here.
Less than a minute.
And the bad thing is, if somebody bids on it, time goes back.
Mm-hmm. Wait, starts the waiting all over again.
And a lot of assholes will wait till it gets like to 30 seconds.
45 seconds.
10 seconds.
Yeah, we've had that at 3 seconds. Somebody outbid us.
No kidding.
Yeah. But there's no point in doing it because it restarts the time. It's not like you're gonna, outbid somebody and then, oops, you got it.
Yeah, it shows a beginner there. Why? Because we've done that.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We won.
Yeah, I'm less than a quarter of a tank of gas in my car, but that should be enough to get me over there and back.
Yeah.
Or over there, and then once I get loaded up, I can, if I have to, get a gas station. Let's go!
Okay, guys, we won at 460. We'll see you soon.
Thank you for calling Safe Stores. This is Danica. How can I help you?
Hi, I just won one of your auctions, and so we're gonna
Okay.
come and pay for it. And I was just wondering if the owner gets there before we do, could you give us a call so that we can turn around and go home and not go all the way out there for nothing? Would that be possible?
If the what gets there before?
If the previous owner comes to pay it off or something?
Oh no, once it's sold, it's sold.
Oh, they don't get to come back and pay it off?
Nope.
Oh, I thought they could still come and pay it until we paid for it.
I've never seen it happen if it's happened. If it's okay. Yeah, I think as soon as the partial onto the storage treasures is paid. It's done.
Oh, okay, which I've already done. So, okay,
Yeah.
cool. All right, awesome. All right, I just wanted to make sure. Do you want my phone number or my name or anything like that, or do I just come in?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, it's Jenna.
All right. And we are open till 6 today. We have lunch from 1 to 2. So if you do show up during that hour, there will be no one here to accept your payment.
Okay. All right. And we just
All
need to
right.
bring, what do I need to bring? Just my ID and the cash?
ID, cash, and the lock if you need it, if you're not just taking everything in one fell swoop.
Okay, cool.
All right. We'll
thank
see you later.
All right, see you soon.
Thanks.
Bye.
Cool. I can't come and get it now.
I think she's wrong about that, but that's okay. As long as she thinks that, hopefully she will turn them away.
Okay, let's get people moving.
Okay, let's go.